How to buy Queen token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefit. Check the amount in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana airdrop. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, make sure you have enough Solana and here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy Queen token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.